Today we're looking at LTG Grand Hotel and Residences, and they've got several floors of like condo apartment type, and several floors of a couple floors hotel type rooms. And here's a little bit of information if you want to stop the video and look at that in the Uptown area, close to Velez Hospital. Let's look. 28.8.
Yeah.
So this is how it comes furnished, right? So inductive,
Yes, induction.
induction cover, okay,
And this is the kitchen cabinet, sir.
right, okay. Yeah, you've got some cabinets and view to the street. Velez Hospital over there. Yeah, I think this would be pretty quiet, I think. All right. And aircon.
Our room is very spacious.
Outlets.
Yeah.
All right, split type also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much for this?
This is 32,000.
For a month?
Yeah.
32,000?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nice mattress. And you have outlets and storage. And then you have even a fan up there.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, and CR?
And this is the other room.
Well, that's a two-bedroom. Okay. Okay, and you have a vent up there so the air can come through. Okay, that's to bring the air conditioning in here from the other unit. And then the CR?
And this is our CR. We have hot and cold.
Hot and cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of cabinet down there for
Yeah.
stuff. Nice
We
size
have
sink.
Cabinet.
Okay. All right. Outlets. You know, my CR doesn't have any outlet.
2-bedroom.
Two-bedroom also.
Yeah. Back 2 windows.
Okay, so the same.
This is bigger than the other.
Oh, how big is this one?
Yeah.
Okay, a corner unit. And split type aircon. Here, okay. And a remote control. All right, yeah, it looks bigger. Looks a little bigger. All right, okay. All right, outlets, so for a refrigerator or something?
Yeah.
Outlet
Or
there.
maybe you can put your here. TV. You put your
Oh, TV, yeah.
Yeah.
One bedroom. Oh, you have emergency lights up there, okay.
Yeah, we have.
That's unusual. How many square meters, do you know?
Here, 21. 20.
Oh, more than that.
Yeah.
It's more than that. 28,000 a month.
Yes.
Okay. What is it daily? Do you know the rate?
Yeah, we have daily, we have 1,900.
1,900?
Yes, sir. Studio type, two single bed.
Okay. Okay, this is studio type?
Yes. This is 23,000.
23,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Two single bed.
Okay. Will you ever put refrigerators in here?
You can put here, sir.
Yeah.
Direct.
Yeah.
Because we have outlet here
Okay. Okay.
and outlet also there.
All right.
You can
Cabinets?
put your TV here.
Very good. Yeah, it's more space than many condos. Many condos, very, very small.
I don't know when on July.
Okay.
Yeah.
So split type. And what is this, a two-bedroom, three-bedroom?
Yes, 2-bedroom. And this
Okay.
is free.
How much for this one?
It's the other room.
Yeah, how much
This is
monthly?
32.
32,000.
Yeah.
Okay. $25,000?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 25,000 a month. And then how much for 6 months or 1
The
year?
same, sir.
Oh, you don't get a discount?
Yeah.
Oh,
Before, sir, this is 30,000. This is 1,900 per night.
1,900.
Yes.
Do you sometimes you have promotions?
Yeah, this is our promo.
Okay.
Before, this is 2,250 per night.
Okay. Coffee maker? You have a safe?
No.
No safe?
For
Okay.
now, we don't have.
All right. Television, cable?
Yeah. Only the internet, sir.
Oh, internet cable? Okay.
Yeah.
Here I have to move. This video came out a little odd. I had to do some editing, so it's a little bit smaller. But anyway, this hotel room is laid out a little bit differently, and 2 bedrooms, split type air con, and similar to the other ones we looked at. Got smaller bed in the 1 bedroom. I believe she said that they had about 49 rooms, 48 rooms, something like that, 8 floors, and several of the floors are the apartment type, and 2 or more floors are hotel type. And I think they could change that in given time, depends upon the demand, I would guess. So they have a number of rooms, hotel room, with the different configurations, and apartments, different configurations. Um, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi in the rooms, my understanding. You're on F. Ramos Street, which runs pretty close to Fuenteos Mina Circle in the Uptown area. Got hotels, restaurants, and a couple malls down the street, Robinson's malls. Um, anyway, kind of interesting place. I found one booking site that I will list in the description if you're interested in taking a look at the additional prices there. I think they opened in the first part of January, I believe, late December or early January, and they did get some booking. About 80% of their rooms were full during Synologue, he said. So anyway, they've got some business. That brand new hotel, and I'll put a map of the location at the end of this video. And here's another hotel, one of the hotel rooms, different configuration, and like the fact that they've got plenty of light. They've got some nice big windows letting light in. Really makes a difference when I've been in hotel rooms where there are no windows, just absolutely walls on all directions. And this is a 2 bedroom also, and yeah, the configurations are a little bit different each area, but pretty much the same. Different, but pretty much the same. And here's a map of the location. It's up that green circle up in the upper left is Fuenteos Mina traffic circle, and you've got 2 different Robinson's malls on that circle on opposite sides. And you got Osmeña Boulevard, the one left center going down into the downtown area, and the next street to the right is F. Ramos Street, and 301 Ramos Bar and Restaurant is down the street away. Velez Hospital's there, Diplomat Hotel, City Suites Condominium Tower. Give you an idea if you know that area at all. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, safe travels, and I'll see you next time.